Okay, this is Marty from Carolina Cricket Crew. I've just come across some strange footprints. I mean, it's nothing out of the ordinary to see bird prints, but to see bird prints of this magnitude is kind of like, wow, that's a big bird. Alright, let's focus in on his first step. Okay. It's roughly 4 3/4 wide. By roughly 5 inches long. Okay. Now the second one is way up here. Look at the depth. That's one heavy bird. And that's the other. Four and 3/4, right at 5 inches wide. And 4 3/4, roughly 5 inches long. But the interesting thing is the distance in the two strides. Okay, I got an 18-inch ruler. So we'll start that one right here at his toenail mark and not at his center mark. We'll start it at the end. Okay, we'll mark 18 inches and then we'll measure the remaining. And then it goes up to 10.5 inches. So he took a 28.5-inch stride. That's just awesome. And don't see no signs of struggling. But don't see no other signs of footprints. It's just odd. It's just odd. I just found them and figured, that's an oddity. That's one hefty bird. So, if I come across anything else, I'll be back.